guys, this is Veronica and I will be doing my first unboxing video. I just purchased my first ever BRB from Ju-Ju-Be. I have other Ju-Ju-Be items that I've purchased, but this is my first time purchasing Ju-Ju-Be from eBay. So let's get right into it. I didn't open the box at all. I just took the packing slip off, and I took the well, not the packing slip, my information, and I just cut along the tape. So let's see. Alright. And what the hell is this? Oh my gosh. Why the hell is it in the Staples bag? Excuse my French. It's supposed to be a unpacking video. This is my first BRB from Ju-Ju-Be. But a few things caught me off guard and caught me by surprise, so I had to delete that video because I swore a couple of times. And yeah, so I already took everything out of the box. It's this print is called the Empress, which is a very gorgeous print. Let me zoom in a little bit because they're not like straight lines. Very gorgeous print. And I fell in love with this print because I actually have this in a passy pod that I use for my Kaiju City Be Classy. And yeah, so I wanted to get the bag, and I don't own a BRB yet, so I wanted it to be in a BRB. But yeah, this is my first time ever ordering Ju-Ju-Be from eBay, so I wanted to be just as surprised as you guys, and let me tell you, I was very surprised about a few things. This was listed as new with tags, you know, and all that bit, but one of the mistakes that I made from purchasing Ju-Ju-Be on eBay was that they only had stock photos of the item. They didn't have actual photos of this bag. So if you're ever trying to order something from eBay and all they have is stock photos, I definitely recommend either contacting the seller and asking them, do they have actual pictures? And when I say pictures, I mean pictures in detail. Ask them to take pictures of the, you know, of the hardware and everything, just to make sure that you're getting what you're paying for and getting what is described. But yeah, so that's one thing that I've learned. Some sellers will give you real pictures and some won't. It just depends, but it doesn't hurt to ask. Overall, the bag is very beautiful. I love the print, like I said, but when I got it, it came in this bag. This is a Staples packing peanuts bag. I know this bag because I have a small business, and sometimes I use packing peanuts. And so that's what caught me off guard at first. I swore, because I was like, what the heck is going on? And inside, when I opened the main compartment, this is like the original bag that I guess it must have came in. Yeah, it is, because it has the information right there. Hey guys, sorry, my battery had died, so I had to go and recharge it really quick. But this is where I left off. This bag I had gotten in the main compartment, along with some other paper, tissue paper or something. I was in there, and I was able to find the tags because they weren't attached to the bag. They were located in the mommy pocket in this bag. And another thing that caught me off guard, and the reason why I didn't go with the first video when I was unboxing and all that stuff. I don't know if you can tell. Let me see if I can zoom in. But the tags are pretty worn. The ones that aren't covered. These are, well, the zipper pulls are worn. So any zipper pull that's not covered or any piece of hardware on this bag that isn't covered, it has some visible signs of wear. And this bag is listed as new on eBay, brand new. So that's why I suggest, you know, asking for photos of the product. I mean, I still would have purchased it anyways because it was a really good price. But definitely, if you're like really particular about that and things like that bother you, definitely ask for pictures of that. Because I do own a few other pieces in the Legacy collection. These pieces are okay because they're covered. But also this piece is covered too. I don't know if that you would even care, but I own a couple of pieces in the Legacy collection already, and they're this polished gold. It's really pretty. So when I saw that, I noticed off the back that this wasn't super pretty and shiny like the other, you know, hardware on this bag. It's really worn. Other than that, the bag is very beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to use it. Review of the Be Right Back by Ju-Ju-Be, or the BRB. And again, this print is called the Empress. I purchased it from eBay. And I just wanted to give an overview for those of you who are interested in Ju-Ju-Be or this particular bag, or new to Ju-Ju-Be, kind of like me. I just recently started getting into Ju-Ju-Be about, I want to say 2.5 months ago. Yeah, let's get right into it. So the first pocket on the front is just this little pocket and has what I call a window pocket right here where you can stick pictures or whatever. And it's just a really long bag. I mean, a long pocket that goes all the way down. Then behind that is the mommy pocket. I can get it open because I'm holding my tripod, because I'm not on a hard surface, I'm on my bed. And it is this long pocket in the front, and it's gusseted so it doesn't open all the way so all your stuff doesn't go flying out. It has a nice pocket right here for you to put items. It has a sunglass holder, or I just put my reading glasses in there and it's fine. And a key leash that I found to be using a lot lately in my other Ju-Ju-Be bags. And at the bottom it does have a mesh pocket for you to place items. Some people put their wallets there. I really don't put my wallet in the mommy pocket. I like my wallet to feel secure in the main part of the bag. Right above this is called the tech pocket, and it's for your cell phones. People put earbuds and chargers and all kinds of stuff in here, tissue, and it's felt lined so that your cell phone won't get scratched. I do find myself using my tech pocket in my Be Classy. I just like that. Now before I get into the main part of the bag, they do come with 2 bottle pockets that are insulated with Insulate, so it does keep the bottles cooler or warmer for a longer period of time. They do have D-rings so that you're able to attach them to stroller clips if you're carrying a stroller. I guess you could put a messenger strap on here, but it'll be kind of awkward. I don't know how that would look. I haven't seen it yet, so. In the back of the bag, it's this zipper right here, and in this compartment, it just houses the change pad. This is the change pad. It's memory foam. It's really nice, good quality change pad. I've seen people be able to stick their MacBooks in here and all kinds of things. There's also a hidden pocket right here at the top of this bag. And this would be a good spot to place your wallet if you're out and about. People like to use BRBs to go to amusement parks and Disneyland and all kinds of stuff. And I've seen a lot of videos where they pack their wallets back here because it's more secure. So that's nice. Then in the main compartment, didn't realize how difficult this would be to open with one hand. So the bag opens up completely. It opens kind of like a suitcase. Some people like it, some people don't, and you can actually add your own gussets or have someone who's a seamstress put gussets in there for you. I kind of like it like this for packing reasons. But it comes with this mesh pocket, so space right here, and then right here is these elastic rings where you can stick like baby wipes or whatever. A set piece up here. And then on this side is this long zippered section. You can stick a lot of things in here as well, which I really like. And that is it. That is the Be Right Back, or the BRB. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say about this bag. I probably will do a first impressions bag once I use it, and because it's my first BRB, and see how I really like the bag. I love the print. I like how it looks. I like the gold hardware. I wish that this wasn't so worn, but it's not a bad bag for the price. So oh, and this is the Passy Pod that was on mine, Be Classy, and the reason why I wanted to go with the Empress print. This is an older print too, so that's why I'm not that upset, because this print could have been sitting. This print came out about 2 years ago, I think. So that's why I'm not that upset that, you know, things happen over time. But definitely ask for in real life photos and not just go based on stock photos and think, oh, you're gonna get a brand new bag and it's gonna come in the original packaging and all that other stuff, because chances are you're gonna get something going on with it. But I will be coming out with more videos. Like I said, I own a small business and I make body care products, soaps, lotions, body butters. I make it all. So I definitely want to, you know, record that process, so you guys to see what I do for a living. And I will be coming out with some more exciting videos that will be including a lot more Ju-Ju-Be, because I've just been obsessed with the brand recently. So be sure to check that out. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.